Got into an accident? Stay calm. Here's what to do. First, check for any injuries and call emergency services if needed.
Step aside to a safe location.
Switch on your hazard lights and make yourself visible to oncoming traffic. If the accident involves injury or fatality, damage to government property, foreign vehicles, pedestrians or cyclists, or is a hit and run, be sure to make a police report.
Without moving your vehicle, take clear photos of the accident scene, including lane markings, traffic signs, vehicle damage, skid marks, and debris. Be sure to retain any in-car camera footage and collect the details of all involved parties. Reporting the accident is easy. You can find the 24/7 Accident Assistance Hotline on your eazyConnect portal or reach out to your broker for guidance. Make sure you do this within 24 hours or by the next working day, as delays may affect your claim. For towing and repairs, head to an authorized workshop listed on our website or in your eazyConnect portal. Same place you'll find the Accident Assistance Hotline. If there are no personal injuries and the damage is minor, you may choose to settle privately with the other driver. Simply fill out the private settlement form linked in the description below and submit it to your motor insurer. In short, stay calm, document everything, and report within 24 hours.